Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel Google One AI Premium. Thinking about canceling Google One AI Premium, whether you're not using the AI features or just want to save money, canceling is easy. Now in this video I'll show you how to cancel Google One AI Premium step by step. Just let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One subscription settings. And to do that, you can either use your phone and open the Google One app, or you can go to one.google.com on your web browser using your computer and sign up using your account credentials. Now once you sign up, you're gonna be directed to your home's dashboard. From here, if you pay a subscription, just click on the gear icon to access the settings. And here if you pay for the subscription, you're gonna see the option for subscription to see your active plan. The second step is to cancel the Google One AI Premium, and to do that you're gonna see a manage plan option. Click on it and click on cancel subscription. Now Google will ask for a reason. You can select one and continue, and after that confirm cancel AI Premium, and you'll keep your benefits until the end of your billing cycle. As for the third step is to check your Google One plan. Now after cancellation, your account downgrades to the basic Google One plan, if available. Like you see here, this is the basic Google One plan. It offers you 15 gigabytes. The fourth step is to remove Google One AI features. Now if you want to stop using AI tools immediately, go to Google One settings, go here, and you're gonna see the option to stop using AI tools immediately. Now just go to settings and click on manage AI features and toggle off AI writing tools in Gmail, Docs and Gemini AI. Now what happens after cancellation is AI tools stop working after the current billing cycle. You still keep Google One storage if you subscribe to a storage plan, and you won't be charged again unless you resubscribe. If you accidentally cancel, you can resubscribe within a few days before the plan fully expires. And if you need only extra storage, switch to a cheaper Google One plan instead of AI Premium. And that's how you cancel Google One AI Premium. Just go to settings, cancel the plan and manage your AI tools as needed.